Varahi ribbon blender is one kind of mixer to mix different powders. Horizontal mixer is precisely designed to maintain combination of three major dimensions is diameter, ribbon width and pitch. It is for effective distribution of very small amount of additive added is getting affected and assures homogeneity of final output. Powder is got rotary as well as horizontal motion in positive direction to get effective blending, which is happen by design perfect sizing of inner and outer ribbons. Optional features: fluid coupling to start blender in loaded condition, liquid spray arrangement, material construction as per requirement, special changes to fit in layout, special size on demand, outer jacket for heating cooling, roster type blender.